Hey. Well, my voice right now. It is now, oh my goodness. It is now August 20th, 2018, 6:54 a.m., day one of learning how to code. Ready to start working. Got my water. Let's do this thing. My eyes, they feel red and watery. I'm still just waking up. I'll catch you throughout the day. Alright, so it's been about 2 hours now, and here you go. I've just completed basic HTML and HTML5. So, it took me 2 hours to supposedly learn the basics of HTML. Come on. And it's still before 9 o'clock. Usually I'm still sleeping, so I feel very productive in the first 2 hours of my morning. 298 hours more to go before I get a certification. Let's do it. Hello. Hello. I've now completed, let's see, where is it? Basic HTML, as you already know because I told you earlier. And now, basic CSS, all done. So that's pretty sweet. Now 2 courses in. If I keep going at this rate of 2 hours each thing, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 hours. 300 hours will be done in 16 hours. I can almost guarantee that's not how that's going to work out, because there's no way the rest of this is only going to be 2 hours each section. But I feel like I'm off to a pretty good start. I'm learning the foundation. And that's what matters. So right now I'm just taking a little break, doing some YouTube watching, doing some great eating, and I guess I'll just keep you updated throughout the day. Okay, bye. So, I have finished for the day. It's after 5:30 now, and I've completed my time doing stuff. I learned the basics of HTML, learned the basics of CSS, and applied visual design. So, let's see. I completed, just so you can see it, basic HTML, HTML5, basic CSS, and applied visual design. Ending with something called Bezier curves, something like that. I think it's French, but I don't know. Today was a long day. I have a lot in my head, jumbling around, thinking that I know stuff, not sure I know stuff. Just a lot of information thrown at me today. But HTML and CSS pretty much work hand in hand, so it feels like I'm learning one language. It doesn't feel like I'm learning 2 different ones. My little bit of technology class instruction in 9th grade isn't helping me at all here. Like, nothing really came back to me. I have a website called Colton3johnson.com. It's unpublished. I've pretty much owned it for months now, but I've just never taken the time to work on it and make it good. But this has been coding for today. It's really all I did. I'm still in my PJs, my awesome penguin bathing suit PJs. They're pretty great. But yeah, nice and comfy. Head is numb from learning. Now I'm just kind of playing around, having a grand old time. I'm brain dead. I haven't spent this much time on any one thing in a very long time. Well, in a couple months. This was not entertaining at all, I'm realizing. but I'm just taking you day to day. That's what I'm trying to do here. Document, don't create. Well, but I want to be creative. But in order for me to do that, I'm documenting the path to creation, which at the very beginning consists of a lot of learning and understanding and failing and looking bad and looking like a failure, but a glimpse of success, but then more failing and not being successful and being poor and living with your parents because you are poor. But it's okay, because this is only the beginning. Guys, I'm brain dead. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I'm gonna go. I'm so tired. I'm not used to this. I feel like I'm in school again. Also, fun fact, it was my sister's first day of school again today. So I figured today was a great time to start my first day of education again. I am not energetic. You've got to be full of energy in front of the camera. And I am not doing that for you guys at all. So apologies, but not really. Because I'm documenting, not creating.